બસ ચાલશે. Hello friends. Now today we are going to last point of this unit, analysis of financial statement, common size or 100% statement, P&L account and balance sheet also. Remember two things in this unit friends. If you have to prepare common size statement or 100% statement, only one thing, any item divided by sales into 100. Any item, say 60,000 by sales 20 lakhs into 100. And in balance sheet, every item total, every item divided by total into 100. So, once again, in common size statement, any item divided by total or sales into 100. And in comparative statement, you have to prepare 6 column. Particular, note, amount, to, then increase and decrease in rupees and increase and decrease in percentage. So now we have to prepare common size statement. First, prepare common size statement of sales 18 and 19 friends. First take 18. Sales 18, 20 lakhs and 24 lakhs. Now you haven't find increase or decrease, only percentage. So for percentage in sales, so any item sales 20 lakhs, so 20 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100, 100. 24 lakhs by 24 lakhs into 100, 100. Now other income 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 20 lakhs, friends, 120 by say 20 lakhs into 100, so it comes 6%. And 2 lakh 40,000 by 24 lakhs into 100 is equal to 10%. Total is 106, 110. Now cost of goods consumed 10 lakh 40,000 divided by say 20 lakhs into 100. 10 lakh 40,000 divided by 20 lakh to 52%. And 30 lakh 20,000 divided by 24 lakhs into 100, 55%. Now 80,000 net purchase 80,000 divided by 20 lakhs into 100 and 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 24 lakhs into 100. Whatever item you take, divide by sales and multiply by 100. So 80,000 by 20 lakhs into 100, 4%, friends. And 120 by 24, 5%, friends. Now 60,000 by 20 lakhs, 3%. 60,000 divided by simple thing friends only 60,000 divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is equal to 3%, and bracket in minus, so percentage also in minus, 120 by 24 lakhs, 5%. Simple thing only, whichever item you take, divide by total sales and multiply by 100. Simple and very simple things. Now 3 lakhs by 20 lakhs. 3 lakhs by 20 lakhs, 15. Same way, 3 lakhs by 20 lakhs into 100, 15 percentage, and 36 lakhs by 24 lakhs is also 15 percentage. Now 2 lakh 40,000 by 20 lakhs, 12 percentage. 2 lakh 40,000 by 24 lakhs, 10 percentage. Now 2 lakh by 20 lakhs, 10 percentage, and 2 lakh 88,000 by 24 is 12 percentage. So now total of this percentage item is 96 percentage, and total of this is 55,551, 92 percentage. Complete. Now profit before tax 2 lakhs by 20 lakhs into 100, 10 percentage, and 4 lakh 32,000 by 24 lakhs into 100 is equal to 18 percentage. Now tax friends, 60,000 by 20 lakhs into 100, 3 percentage, and 1,29,600 by 24 into 100, 5.4 percentage. Once again friends, 1,29,600 divided by 24 lakhs into 100, 5.4. So profit is 10 minus 3, 7 percentage, and 18 minus 5.4, 12.6 percentage. So in common sense statement is already given. You have to only find out percentage friends. And find out percentage, take any item divided by sales into 100. You have to do only things, find out percentage. And for percentage, any item divided by sales into 100. And in balance sheet, the example of balance sheet are cancelled from this syllabus, new syllabus. But in balance sheet also you have to find out percentage, then any item divided by total of balance sheet into 100. Though it isn't in syllabus, but still we are going to calculate one example of common sense statement of balance sheet tomorrow. Now calculate this example, and your homework is example number 11. Homework example number 11. Please do the homework. Thanks. We'll carry on tomorrow.